How to change App Store country or region on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you change the App Store country or region from one to another. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open App Store on your iPhone. Alright, after you open App Store, at the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. Alright, from the account section, tap on your Apple account at the top. Alright, from the account section, tap on the option country and region. Okay, so from the country or region section, you can easily change your country or region whether you are looking to change. So simply find your country or region from here. Alright, after you find it, you'll have to just tap on that country or region. Okay, from here, tap on continue. And from here, simply you can also read the agreement, or you can also directly tap on the option agree just at the top right. From this payment method section, you can easily add your credit card or debit card, as you can also add your PayPal, your mobile phone, or you can as usual go with the option none. And after you choose one option, you'll have to just again give your entire billing address, your phone number, your first name and last name, and after you give all of the details on this section, tap on the option done just at the top right corner. And after you give all of the details from here, you'll be able to easily change your App Store country or region. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.